2015 Toyota Sienna rear wiper blade replacement. I got my new rear wiper blade here. Here's my part number. And what you want to do to get to it is we're going to go to this little lever. That's the best way to get to it. All right there. We're going to turn it on INT or on. It really doesn't matter. Sorry about the autofocus. INT, and then when the wiper gets going, all of you guys can see it back there. Turn it to on. What I'm going to do is turn the power off to the car while it's in mid-stroke. Alright. So it's in mid-stroke there. Now we're going to go change the blade. Alright, so when it's frozen in place, we're going to gently lift it up. It'll kind of flex like this. If it doesn't flex, get it in another spot. Pull this forward, gently just kind of wiggle it back and forth, and you got to work it off. And then once you have your new blade, we're going to put it on. Here's my new one. There's an opening and a little bar in there. And then we're going to put this arm in the top of the opening. And there's a spot on the wiper arm for that little bar thing to go into. And then once you get it in there, you're going to push the bottom of the blade up and it'll clip into place. Now again, be very careful not to let this blade fall or the arm and hit your glass, or you're going to probably crack your windshield in the back. But that's how to do it. And then you could just turn your switch in the front just back to normal. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information that comes is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.